I'm Tony Alfonso. You can call me Tony or Papa Tons. Or sometimes you can call me on my phone. I'm from Item and System Department, and I'm the IT manager. Actually, maiyain akong tao talaga. And yun lang, seryoso. Actually, yun yung talaga. 2019, November, I got the call from Mambea. And yun nga, na-interview ako somewhere in November. But I thought hindi na siya nag-push through because dumaan yung December, and then somewhere in January, I got call from Sir Kevin, yun nga, for panel interview na. Then so 2020, nag-start ako kay Frankis. Um, 2020, I was hired as IT and System Supervisor. And then somewhere in, I think February or March, during my PMS, na-promote ako as a IT and System Manager. Great. Awesome. Kasi you get a chance every day to work with those great people, from department head to their staff up to operations. So it's a blessing to work with them. During my panel interview, puro department head yun. Siyempre ako, I want to work sa Frankis, and hindi ko alam kung paano yung magiging approach ko since panel interview siya, no? So, parang na lang, naging natural. Most of that interview and yung answer ko, parang na lang siya, real talk na lang, no? Hindi na rin ako talaga nagpursiging mag-English. Pero, yun lang, naging natural lang. Kung sino ako, yun na lang naging approach ko during panel interview. Actually, masashare ko lang yung struggle, part of ng trabaho natin. But yung masashare ko sa lahat is, don't be afraid to accept challenges, no? Sometimes you have to do things na out of the box, and that's make you grow as a person, as a employee din ni Frankis. From there, malaki yung magiging accomplishment mo once na you accept those challenges na sa work and also in life. Always pray. Sometimes things mahirap nang hawakan or hindi mo na kaya, no? Just lay it down to our Lord, no? Every time na sa tingin mong feel mo susuko ka na, just lay it down. You can talk to Him anytime, any place. Lang. Salted, yes, and Caribbean jerk. Ano ba? Siguro Caribbean jerk burger. Best career lesson, just work hard. And yung commitment mo sa trabaho, dapat nandun siya, number one. Kasi kapag committed ka or yung commitment mo nasa work mo, you always find ways to improve your skills and your personality, no? So, hindi ka lang magsisettle kung anong meron ka. Since, yun nga, isa sa puso mo yung trabaho mo, and give your best parate. Do what you can do, and God will do what you can't do.